Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the essentials in place. Install Roblox and the Panda Touch module, then sign into your account so progress saves. Once done, enable your microphone and controller or touch input in settings, because accurate input mapping relies on those permissions. Next, open the Panda Touch interface inside Roblox. If you have a saved profile, load it now, otherwise create a new profile so you can customize inputs for the session ahead. Now you configure controls precisely. Map touch zones to core actions such as jump, grab, and move, and set sensitivity values between 0, 5, and 1. 2 for responsiveness. Make sure to adjust dead zones and swipe thresholds so accidental touches do not trigger actions. This tuning reduces frustration. Once mapped, test in a safe area or tutorial stage. If movement lags or buttons misfire, iterate the mapping and finish by saving your profile and backing it up to cloud or local storage so settings persist across devices. Before play, calibrate quickly and make sure latency is low. If you notice input lag or weird behavior, restart Roblox and reload your profile. If problems persist, reset mappings to default, reinstall the Panda Touch asset, and reapply your custom settings. This fixes corrupt configs. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cached data and test with a simple map to isolate whether the issue is game or plugin related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.